So today we're going to go ahead and replace the weather strips. They finally came in the mail. Genuine Toyota parts right here. And those are the two back doors, and then these are the two front doors. And this right here from Overland Bandit recommended me to pick up this tool set. It's only 12 bucks on Amazon. I'm going to use probably just one of them, but it always comes in handy when you're trying to fix up stuff on the FJ. This is the next thing I want to address is the ornament right here. See all that deteriorated, so I need to buy one of those. Antenna ornament. But this is what I'm fixing today. You can see right here, pretty much a gap between there from the deterioration. So, finally gonna get rid of this old, look at that. Just comes right off of it. It's gone. So, I'm gonna get that old crummy one off. And this one too, on the back. I still want to look up and see, like, I'm assuming that when these weather strip help prevent water getting in the doors or help your windows not getting scratched up, but still curious to find out what's the point of them besides looking good pieces of trim. So stay tuned. So we're gonna look at this little toolkit right here, roll it out, and probably just gonna go ahead and use this one right here. Little pry bar one to pop open. I don't think you need anything much tougher than that. Maybe even this one. I don't know. We'll try out these two. Microfiber cloth. And just pop those. Heard something go inside the door. That's not good. Just take this bolt off. Oh, there you go. Got the rear one off. And we just had to take off these little plastic clips right there too. That came off easy. Maybe it is good to use this bigger one. So that one's that one, but let's try this one. Whoa, that one just shot off. And there we go, that one. So got off those little pieces of trim. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean that up. So on this one, it's just going to supposedly have just two clips right here. And let's get that. So one right there should be right here. That one's tough. And then this is supposed to peel out. So now we got the windows down. Should just come up right there. A little bit easier. Yep, that was it. So that's the trick right there. You pop with this side. That side broke, but it doesn't matter. So you got the new one, and then you take out the strip when you put the windows down. Now we just need to clean all this dirt that's been stuck under there. 2011, what do you expect? Now I'm just going to get some little Windex, wipe off this dirt in here, make it look nice and clean. See? Those are where you're going to insert those 3 holes in. Simple. Now if you look right here, this is going to say the right hand passengers. These are genuine Toyota parts that I ordered off Amazon. I know if you go to the dealership they're going to charge you like 60 or 70 bucks for this one strip, but I got all 4 of them for under 80 bucks. So you see the RH for right hand side. Let's do the little one first. Seems like the easier one. So you got to match up those 3 lines or 3 holes into these 3 holes and just make sure it's the right side up. Should pop in. There, boom. Rear one's done. Some little piece of junk got stuck in there, but oh well. So this one, I think that guy, Overland Bandit, said you got to make sure these 2 slide in, pop in, and then you got to push down the weather seal. So slide that on there first. Those snapped in. There, hear that? It's in. Alright, so now we're on the driver's side. Same thing. Line them up. Make sure you're facing right side up. Pop these in. There we go. Good right there. I always like to double check. And then come on this side. Make sure those line up. Then make sure this is in. That's in. Heard the snap. There. And that's a done deal. So I'm gonna get the windows up, but everything else, the weather strips look nice. Check them out. No more ugly, corroded, messed up rubber.